Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, November 13th. Got a warm and dry start to the week with cool mornings followed by afternoon highs in the 50s and 60s. But beyond that, we're looking at a weak midweek system helping to cool things down as we head into the later part of the week. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today. Warm and dry weather will continue through the early part of this week. We'll again see cool mornings followed by those afternoon highs in the 50s and 60s, running about 8 to 15 degrees above normal, so feeling much warmer than normal this time of year. We'll have a return to some cooler and active weather later this week, heading into the week of Thanksgiving. But overall, our first system is going to arrive around that Wednesday, Thursday timeframe. That'll start our cooling trend, so enjoy those 50s and 60s while you can. But some very light precipitation amounts, predominantly dry, just helping to decrease those temperatures and bringing a gradual cooling trend heading into the weekend. A second system will arrive for the weekend time frame, again reinforcing that cooling trend as temperatures turn even colder heading into Thanksgiving week. Quick look at satellite for you this morning. Again, mostly cloudy skies as you head further west, but partly to mostly clear skies as you head for across northeast Idaho this morning. Well, we're going to see a mix of partly to mostly cloudy skies today with some increasing amounts of sunshine, especially as we head into the later part of tonight into tomorrow. And a look at the bigger picture for you. So again, high pressure is going to be our main influence. You see this very large area of low pressure currently off the Pacific coast, bringing a lot of cloud cover into our area, but keeping things mostly dry. Again, those clouds are mid and upper level clouds, so not so much of a concern when it comes to precipitation, but that low will continue to bring some heavier precipitation as it works further south along the Pacific coast. But here inland in the Intermountain West, nothing to worry about for this time. Just keeping an eye on that high pressure, continuing to lead to some very mild conditions region-wide. And speaking of mild conditions, things will keep pretty darn dry over the next 5 days. This is a look through early Saturday. So again, best chances for that Wednesday, Thursday system, just some light rainfall amounts, maybe on the order of about 1/10 of an inch of rain at most. But overall, should be staying fairly dry for that midweek system. Overall, going to be favoring the northern part of the Rockies, just north of our area and further southwest, as that system, again, off the coast of California, brings some pretty decent rain to much of that area. Weather scout look for your next 5 days. Nothing to talk about for the next 3 days. We'll just introduce a slight chance for some snow showers up in Custer and Lemhi County for your Wednesday, and that will continue into Thursday. But overall, not looking like a washout or anything like that. Just some slight chances for some showers in the area as conditions remain predominantly dry. And take a look at those temperatures we saw yesterday. Afternoon highs exceeded expectations, pushing near the mid to upper 60s in portions of the Magic Valley, where just about everybody seeing the 50s yesterday. Temperatures today will start again today in the 20s and 30s, pushing in the 40s as you head out towards Glens Ferry. But afternoon highs, just about where we were yesterday, 50s to mid-60s. Wind gusts today will be a bit breezy, especially in the mountains. Gusts on the order about 30 to 40 miles an hour, but in the valleys, about 20 to 25. Temperatures on your Tuesday, keeping with that warming trend, we'll see overnight lows noticeably warmer. So most areas will be in the mid-30s for overnight lows, low to mid-30s. Coldest areas in the 20s. But afternoon highs on Tuesday, keeping with that warm trend, 50s and 60s across the board. And wind gusts on Tuesday, pretty much a repeat of today. We're going to see wind gusts, especially in the mountains up in central Idaho, pushing those gusts about 30 to 45 miles an hour. But overall in the valleys, still hanging out about 20 to 30 miles an hour. Temperatures on your Wednesday, rinse and repeat. We'll start off another morning in the 20s and 30s, afternoon highs, 40s, 50s, and 60s, starting to cool a little bit as you head further north. And wind gusts on Wednesday, keep it with that breezy wind trend, gusts about 20 to 35 miles an hour. And by Thursday, looks like we'll have some cloud cover in the area, so that'll help to boost those overnight lows, push it into the low 40s as you head further south. But overall, 20s, 30s, and 40s in the morning, afternoon highs, 40s and 50s. We're losing those 60s as we head into Thursday. And by Friday, looks like overnight lows, teens, 20s, and 30s as we head into Friday morning, but afternoon highs just in the 40s to low 50s. We're starting to see that cooling trend heading into the weekend, just losing a couple degrees each day. And a first look at your weekend, again, best chances for those 40s and 50s are going to be across the board on Saturday. We'll trend more 30s and 40s as we head into Sunday, heading into early next week, as we get that cooler and more active air mass moving into our area. And to look at what's to come. So again, that 6 to 10 day outlook is going to be focusing Saturday through next Wednesday. So we're going to keep with the above normal favorite precipitation chances heading into later this week. So starting this weekend into early next week as temperatures return to more near normal levels, which is afternoon highs in those 30s and 40s. 8 to 14 keeps with that above normal precipitation trend, but you can see that below normal favorite temperatures when it comes to across the entire Rocky Mountains in western United States. So again, that active weather trending more below normal temperatures as we head into the week of Thanksgiving. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome week.